Look at that. Boom. Feels just like yesterday, man. This is a beautiful thing.
Christmas comes early. I wonder what this is. I don't know, let's open it. This reminds me of Pulp Fiction when he opens the briefcase. The only thing we don't have like that yellow light, but this is good too.
Congratulations on your Emmy Award. Yes. Get this nice little tag there. Wait a minute. This is nice.
Excalibur. This is congratulations.
It's a beautiful thing, man. Why I teach.
Something that we created out of thin air. No, I'm lying. Why I Teach is a combination of a bunch of things that I saw, little things that I thought we could sprinkle in to make something dope.
Coming up with Why I Teach, Daylan put in the work, man. He really set up some of these demos and things with me. And we tried different lightings, different shooting styles, different audio. Finally fell into like our pocket of what we wanted all around as far as the look and feel of the piece. And you know, we got nominated last year.
Last year was rough. We thought we were gonna take it. It was looking really good, but we came just a little bit short.
Abigail Carey of Made in Choice. She's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful person. And we're able to capture a little bit of her story and talk about, you know, just how important, you know, her job is and how important it is for her to work with her children.
To tell this story about Miss Abigail Carey and Made in Choice and all the amazing students that she works with every day was more important.
To bring this home to BCPS and win it for, you know, for the team.
Just blessed enough to be able to go back and get this and what this represents for our station, for us as individuals, for the creatives.
Nobody can take it from us. So for the rest of our lives, we are Emmy Award winners. It's a beautiful thing.
Shout out to Steve Jones, my brother. I want to shout out to BCPS-TV. I want to shout out to all the students at BCPS. Thank y'all for this. And this is going in the trophy case.